Earlier this week, I had a comment on one of my videos that I did last month on what is the best DCC system to use. And this comment started out pretty good, but then it turned foul. It was like this commenter had a bad experience and they was taking it out in this comment right here. So let's see what this is all about. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And that's what it's all about. I'm here to help other modelers with their issues on model railroading. And I appreciate when people come and give their information, give useful information in the comments section and even on my emails. This is not a place for foul language or political statements or anything else vulgar. And I'm going to show you what this is all about. I get nasty comments all the time. In fact, I've eliminated about over 30 people, and I'll show you the page over here. I think there's 32 people that I banned from this channel already because of the comments they made. They're just inconsiderate. Okay, and here's the latest one. I'm going to read it to you. Let me pull it up on the screen here. I'm not going to show you what the comment is. I'm going to read it to you. Okay, now this was on the video that I did on DCC. What's the best DCC system? And basically what mine was a rant saying that you have to do your own research. Now here's what the comment is. A good thing to do before researching is to write down what you think, in capital letters, you need, and what then research by talking to people. Look at what clubs are running. Look at what friends and independent owners are running. Visit manufacturer websites and ask them questions. Look at magazines, check out YouTube, etc. Make sure you are writing down the DCCs and their features that are available in your area. Once done, this will allow you to compare your needs and wants you have written down to the DCC controllers and its features, etc., helping you create a shortcut through elimination, which helps to find the product that best fits what you need. Now that's pretty good advice. That's acceptable. Now here it starts drifting off a little bit in this one. Do not listen to people who try and sell you that product. Walk away. You need, and capitalized, unbiased information. If the person can't explain themselves in simple terms for you to understand, then that person doesn't know what they are talking about, as they are lying and BSing you. Now, it's written out, not BSing. Do not be spendthrift or fall victim to emotional purchases, as this will lead to heartbreak in the near future. Always compare prices in your area and others, yet always try to support your local business. Well, he's getting a little bit off track here. That's the second paragraph. Third paragraph. Look at it like this. After researching, if you like the DCC unit, this is all that counts. Who gives a rat's arse, and he wrote arse, if it's made Australia, Cuba, Greece, Britain, Italy, Germany, or Japan? And in parentheses, the war's been over since 1944. Get F over it, and close parentheses, etc. If people are being F-tards, butt hurts, and or butt F's, or butt F'd by what you have purchased, laugh at those superficial B's as that's their problem, not yours. Thank them for their constant support for the country's continuation of austerity towards the poor and workers, including the continuation of deregulation laws against local and interstate small businesses, pointing out the fact you can't buy the products you need that could have been endemic to your country is a result from their political short-sightedness, which is also linked to the other reasons why the cost of living is so expensive. Then say, have a nice day. Now, I'll tell you what I wrote them. Okay, I appreciate your feedback in the comments. They are helpful to other modelers. Please refrain from vulgar language and political statements in your comments. If you continue to do so, I will block you from making any more comments. I removed your comment from my page at this time. If you would like to reword your comment, it would be welcome without the language you used in the original comment. Now, that was a couple of days ago that I wrote that. I blocked his comment from showing up. Unfortunately, it was up there for about 4 or 5 hours before I found it. But anyway, I haven't heard back from him yet. I haven't blocked him yet, but if it, because he had some useful information on there, and he had some useful information on other comments in the past month. So I'm not going to block him yet. If he continues to, and you know who you are, if you continue to do it, I'm going to block you from the channel. I've already blocked 32 some people already from the channel for spamming my videos and using vulgar language and just being downright disrespectful. So take that. I mean, if you have some good comments, put them in there. But if you want to rant or anything like that, go on Facebook to a user group there, or go onto a regular user group for model railroading or any other thing that you're into, and do your rants there. This is not the place for it on my channel. I mean, my grandchildren watch my videos and read the comments in those videos. I don't want my grandchildren reading that. And I don't think if you were old enough to do this, you wouldn't want your grandchildren reading that stuff either. So keep that crap off of my channel. So that's all I have to say to you and anybody else that wants to do that. This channel was created to help other modelers, and that in no way helps other modelers. So it's not going to be left on this channel, and I'm not going to stand for it. So like he said, have a nice day, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.